Hey guys, Steve Walter, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. I wanted to show you how to reset your maintenance light on a RAV4. This will be from the 2013 through the 2018 model years. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. All right, or sorry, 18 will be where it ends. All right, so this is actually how you do it. What we're going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm in a RAV4. This one's a 2018 model. All right, you're gonna see you've got your trip buttons, all this stuff's over here. So this right here on your center screen is controlled by this button. I'm gonna start hitting to the right here. Just kind of take a look. You can see now I'm into the settings screen. So that little gear is your settings screen. You can scroll up, scroll down, whatever you want to do, but you're gonna go down to where it says vehicle settings. Once you hit vehicle settings, you're gonna see scheduled maintenance. All right, and keep in mind I'm hitting the center button to select. So when I went to vehicle settings, I hit the center button. Once I did that, it went to here. I'm gonna hit the center button again. You can kind of see here, reset data. Come up to yes, hit your center button. Yes, the data has been reset. All right, so that should reset your maintenance light on the vehicle. So a lot more stuff you can do in here. You can change like the height of your back door and the volume of your back door and stuff like that. If you want to change your volume, you can do all of that in that same screen. But this main reason I'm making this video is show you how to reset that maintenance light. Vehicle settings, schedule maintenance, reset data. Yes, data has been reset. That should reset your maintenance. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, Nashville. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.